Okay, so in this video we're going to take a look at the toString method of objects, and to start things off, let's just go ahead, I'll leave that there. I'm just going to say system.out.println, and then we're going to say toString, and then my fraction. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this. And you'll see that it printed out fraction and then this, which is the memory reference, okay? Which doesn't help us at all. So let's go ahead, and we're in this fraction class. I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to go ahead and minimize these other methods just because we're not going to really be dealing with those right now. So what we want to do is we want to say public string toString, and then basically we just want to return the exact same thing that we're printing out in this line, okay? So let's go ahead and just say return numerator plus the slash plus denominator, okay? Now let's go back to main. Let's run this again. Okay, and you'll see that it automatically used 7-9 or 7/9, which is what we want. And that's because this method is an override method. Okay, and what I mean by that, I'm going to comment this out. And you guys don't have to comment this out because you just typed it. I just want to show you. Just like in the last video, how I use alt insert, if you do the same thing and go to override methods, you'll see that there's a toString method here, okay? And there's a few others, and we'll definitely talk about the equals one later on, okay? So if we double click on that toString, you'll see that it adds this annotation here. And we're not gonna worry about that, okay? But pretty much this is just a method you can generate or write your own. And then anytime you want to print it out, it'll automatically use that method, okay? So I'm gonna erase that now and uncomment out that one we just wrote. But out here you could also make an explicit call to toString, and then run that, and it would work the same way, okay? Which now, that makes this a lot nicer, because now, if you do that and run it, you get the same output, it's just a lot less code. I think before it was like all the way out to here. And that just looks a lot nicer. And most of the times you're going to want that fraction represented as the numerator slash the denominator, okay? So that's going to be just a quick intro to override methods. And in the next video, I think we're going to go ahead and take a look at that equals method as well. But that's going to be it for this video. Thanks, guys.